As a young lady growing up, you grow up thinking of being a mom. As a young man growing up, you also grew up thinking of being a dad. But unfortunately, this has become difficult to some people because of one or two fertility issues. Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining us on this episode of our health discussion. On today's discussion, we will be continuing with the discussion on what are those factors that you should consider if you're trying to conceive or you're trying to impregnate your wife and it's not going. I would like us to understand that we have introduced this topic already. So we have mentioned these factors and we categorize them into three major factors, which are you understanding your cycle as a lady, you understanding your cervical mucus as a lady, then your general health as well. So for today, we are going to look at your menstrual cycle. How do you need to understand your menstrual cycle as a lady to help you come out of this difficult situation? If you're clicking on our channel for the very first time, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and click notification so as to be informed whenever we upload a video. Thank you so much. So the very first thing here is you understand your cycle as a lady. The menstrual cycle is what will tell you if you're fertile or not. The menstrual cycle will tell you if you are to meet with your husband at this time or not. Without the menstrual cycle, it will be practically difficult for you to even know when you can actually conceive. So understanding your menstrual cycle is the key. I would like you to follow the link and you watch this video about the menstrual cycle while I lay out the key factors involved in the menstrual cycle. So the very first thing you need to understand about your menstrual cycle is to know about the length of your menstrual cycle. So what is your length? What is your length? Remember, the shortest menstrual cycle is 21 days and the longest is 35. So you might fall between 21 right up to 35 days. The next thing about the menstrual cycle you need to understand is your ovulation. When do you ovulate? So once you understand your length, you should understand your ovulation. The next thing is your fertile window. When is your fertile window? Because the day you ovulate is just a day, but the fertile window is a very long period of time. So the fertile window is 7 days period of time, which therefore means that the ovulation is part of your fertile window. So these three key things you should know, but you should also understand that you actually flow for maybe 3 days or 4 days. But with this one, you're going to know it because it actually happened and you see it. Why? The aspect of you understanding your total cycle, your ovulation, and your fertile window is something you need to calculate it. Once you do all of these, you see that you're going to have your menstrual cycle in check. And you have to do this for at least 6-7 months to know that this is how it actually occurs. Because if you just do it for 1 month, do it for 2 months, you might not actually get the exact thing that's going on with your menstrual cycle. Like I said, follow this link and you will understand much more better about your menstrual cycle. I think we have to stop here such that for the next video we are going to move now to your cervical mucus and discuss on what it is about your cervical mucus you should actually know about. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Please stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video.